Do you know you can earn money online by creating Bible stories with AI? According to View Stats, this particular channel actually earns about $3,000 by creating Bible stories with AI. And Bible in a nutshell earns about $700 in the past 7 days by creating Bible stories with AI. And you may be asking, which type of Bible stories am I talking about? Let me show you.
Most people know me as a king. But before all that, I was just a shepherd boy. I spent my days singing songs to God and watching over sheep. Life was simple, until the day I walked into a battlefield and saw something that shook everyone to the core. There he was, a giant named Goliath. 9 feet tall, muscles like iron, and a voice that made the ground tremble. Every soldier in Israel was terrified.
The video which you just watched right now, I actually created it with using just simple AI tools. And apart from sharing with you how you'll be able to earn money by creating this type of videos, I will also be sharing with you step-by-step process on how you'll be able to create this type of videos using just some simple AI tools. Getting started right now. All you just need to do right now is to come to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Just enter this prompt right now. Let me enter the prompt, and all the prompt which I will be using to create this video will be in this video's description. If you want to go to this video's description to be able to copy any prompt which I will be using to create this type of video in right now. All you just need to do right now is to enter this prompt. Let's read this prompt. Bring the Bible to life with 5 animated stories that spark wonder and stay true to scripture. Each story should capture heart with vivid storytelling. Memorable character and powerful lessons crafted to inspire viewers of all age on your YouTube channel. Okay, click on enter right now for AI to actually generate these titles for us, title ideas for us right now. You can see the first one, David and Goliath. You can see the power of faith over fear. You can see the second one right now. You can see we just need to calm down right now for AI to actually do all the work for us. Very simple. Be part of the story which AI have actually generated for us right now, and we are going to be going for this first one, which is the story of David and Goliath. Let's enter 1. You just need to type 1 to select the story. Okay, after selecting the story right now, you can see I just typed 1 right now to select the story. The next thing you need to do right now is to enter the second prompt right now. The second prompt, craft a vibrant 1 to 3 minute video script that reimaginate a Bible story. Okay, let's enter it right now. Okay, you can see here is a short, vibrant 1 to 3 minute script for David and Goliath. Since we have already chosen one, which is David and Goliath's story of David and Goliath. This particular second prompt right now will actually help us to actually generate the story. Which right now we are going to be going to AI tools that will actually help us to generate image and the which we are going to use for the video editing right now. Okay, now after generating the story is to go on right now and copy the story. Okay, go on right now. This is the beginning of the story. I just need to go on right now and copy the story. Okay, go on and copy the story one by one. Copy the story. Once you copy the first one, the next thing you need to do right now is to go on right now and search for Speechma. Once you search for this particular Speechma right now, you can see, let me search for speechma.com. Once you come to this particular website, this is the website we are going to be using to generate the voiceover which we are going to be using for the story. Before we go on right now, watch closely guys. Go on right now and paste the script right here. The script which you actually copied right here. Okay, remove all the unnecessary part from the script which you actually copied. Okay, go on right now and copy the second one. Okay, this is the second one. Copy it from beginning to the end. Okay, we have copied the second one right now. Go back to the AI tools and enter it. Scroll down, enter it right here and paste. Click on paste. Remove all the unnecessary part from it. Watch closely guys. Okay, the next thing you need to do right now is to scroll down right here and select the voice which you want to use. There are lots of voices right here guys. Okay, so you just need to go on right now and test any voice which you actually prefer. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using this particular voice right now, which is Brian. Okay, I actually like the voice. Okay, the next thing you need to do right now is to enter this particular code right here so that you'll be able to actually generate the voiceover. Okay, let me go on right now and type the code quickly. Okay, after typing the code, click on this generate audio to actually generate your audio. This particular audio is the audio which we are going to be using for the story. Watch closely, guys. Yes, our audio is ready. You're going to click on this download right now for the to download the video to download the audio right now. After downloading the audio, the next thing we need to do right now is to go back to ChatGPT right now. Come back to ChatGPT right now, and the next thing you need to do right now is to come back right here and enter this particular prompt. Third prompt right now. Once you enter this particular prompt, this particular third prompt will actually help you to generate all the prompt which you are going to use to generate all the images which you are going to be using to edit this video right now. And you can see the first prompt right now. The first prompt is David as a shepherd. You can see it right there. And the second prompt is Goliath appears. And the third prompt, you can see the third prompt, fourth prompt. You can see it right there. After generating all these prompts, the next thing you need to do right now is to go on right now and copy the prompt right now. Go on right now and copy the prompt. Copy the first prompt. This is the first prompt. Copy it and go back to this part and go back to your browser. Search for this AI tools known as VA.AI. You can see it right there. Just click on it. Once you choose it right now, you can see it right there. The next you need to do right now to be able to turn your text into image is to click on this particular section right here. Once you click on this particular section, click on image to text click on text to image. This is the first one, which is text to image. Once you click on this text to image, scroll down right there and click on AI text to image generator. Once you click on it, let me remove this. Scroll down right here and click on generate image from text. Once you click on generate image from text, you're going to scroll down right here and paste the prompt which you actually copied from ChatGPT right here. Once you paste the prompt right there, scroll down right here and choose select right there, scroll down right there and choose 16:9. 16:9, which is YouTube aspect ratio. Choose 16:9 right there. After choosing 16:9, which is YouTube aspect ratio, scroll down right there and click on generate. Once you click on generate, you can see it will take less than 3 minutes for this video to actually generate right here. You can see, and boom, guys, the video has generated right here. I want to go on right now and click on this particular section right there to actually download this particular image. You can see I have downloaded this particular image. I want to go back right now to ChatGPT right here and download the second image. Watch closely, guys. I want to download the second image. Copy the second prompt right now. Go back to the AI and come back to click on this particular section right here. Click on image text to image. Once you click on text to image, scroll down right there and click on AI text to image. Once you click on AI text to image, remove this particular thing and scroll down right here and click on generate image from text. Once you click on generate image from text, scroll down right here and enter your prompt right here. Once you enter your prompt right there, scroll down right now to this particular section and choose YouTube aspect ratio, which is 16:9. Once you choose YouTube aspect ratio, click on generate. Once you click on generate, the image will start generating again. You can see it right there, and we just need to wait, and in less than 3 minutes this image will actually be live right now for us to be able to download it. And that is how you are going to do it from beginning of the prompt to the end of the prompt. Let me quickly generate all the images before we continue. After generating all the images using these AI tools, all I just need to do right now is to go back right now to ChatGPT and copy the prompt again, the first image prompt. Once you copy the first image prompt right now, go back to this particular AI tool, this AI tools right now. We are going to be turning each of those images which we have generated into animation right here, so that we can easily use it. Click on this particular section right now. This particular section. Once you click on it, the next thing you need to do right now is click on image to video for you to be able to turn the image into video. Cancel this place. Once you cancel it, click on this generate video from image. Once you click on generate video from image, click on this upload section right here to actually upload the image and select the image which you want to turn to video. Scroll down right here and input the prompt which you actually used to generate the image before. Once you include the prompt right here, scroll down right here. Once you scroll down right here, click on this generate section right here. Once you click on generate section right here, you just need to wait for the image to actually turn to video so that you'll be able to easily download it. You can see it right there. In less than 2 minutes, the video will actually be ready for you to be able to download the test. You can see it right there, which means we have successfully convert our image into animation right there. You can see the video is actually moving right now. Click on this particular section to actually download the animation video right now. Once you download this particular video, you just need to repeat the process for other images. Next thing we need to do right now is to go to this application known as CapCut. Let's go to CapCut right now. Go to CapCut right now, and let's just combine everything together to use it to form a Bible story right now. Click on new project. Once you click on new project right now, you just need to allow it to load. Just wait. After clicking on new project, okay, click on videos. Select the video from beginning to the end, and you can decide to be selecting it one by one. Okay, let me select the whole videos. After selecting all the videos, I just need to click on add. Okay, after adding the videos, you can see these are the videos right now. You can see the next thing I need to do right now is to go on right now and import the voiceover, which we actually generated using Speechman. Okay, click on device right now, scroll down. Okay, let me search for Speechman. Now we have chosen our audio. You can see we have added our audio right now. Let's play our audio to see how it.
David. Most people know me as a king, but before all that, I was just a shepherd boy. I spent my days singing songs to
You
God
can see. Okay, let me play it from beginning. You can see.
David. Most people know me as a king, but before all that, I was just a shepherd boy. I spent my days singing songs to God and watching over sheep. Life was simple. Until the day I walked into a battlefield and saw something that shook everyone to the core. There he was, a giant named Goliath, 9 feet tall, muscles like iron, and a voice that made the ground tremble.
You can see, very interesting story. Okay, the next thing you need to do right now is you can even go on right now and also download the background sound, free background sound also, and add to it. If you do not have any free background sound, you make sure that you do not add any copyright material to it. After editing, after all the editing, you can see after all the editing, the next thing you need to do right now is to let's go on right now and generate. Okay, let me cut this particular part. Cut out all the unnecessary parts. Okay, let me cut out this part. Okay, let's go on right now. Click on this text. Once you click on text, auto caption, for us to actually generate caption for the video which we actually created right now. Okay, select. Okay, let me go on and select this particular one. Click on generate. After selecting it, the auto caption is actually generating right now, so that the video will actually make more sense. Okay, it will have even make more sense. It's just that I'm just making the video to be more shorter. That is why I'm not going too deep into it. But in my next video, I will actually, if you actually watch this video to this particular point, kindly help me to like this video right now and also subscribe to the channel, so that I'll be glad to share more updates like this with you again. Okay, let's go on and play the video. Okay, let me change. Let me edit the auto caption. Let me change the font size. Okay, let me change to this. Okay, I prefer this. Let's watch the video right now.
Most people know me as a king, but before all that, I was just a shepherd boy. I spent my days singing songs to God and watching over sheep. Life was simple until the day I walked into a battlefield and saw something that shook everyone to the core. There he was, a giant named Goliath, 9 feet tall, muscles like iron, and a voice that made the ground tremble. Every soldier in Israel was terrified.
You can see this. You can see it right now. I just make it very short. Okay, go on right now and save the video. You don't need to export the video right now. You can see it right there. Very simple. The next you need to do right now, start uploading this to YouTube channel or your Facebook or TikTok, once your channel got monetized, you can start earning. You can earn minimum of $50 to $100 per day using this particular uploading this particular Bible stories. You can see a lot of other channels are actually earning more higher than that every single day by uploading this particular Bible story. You can actually earn money online by actually uploading this type of Bible story using the process which I just share with you right now. Kindly tell me what to think about this particular video using in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.